Hello guys! Yan. Mag-video ako ulit. Let's try to give you some information on how we can utilize our anvil. Okay. Now, let's try to check the parts of refined parts of a weapon. Let's take this one for example. So, the plus 10, as you can see here, is the refine. The 70 on the weapon, on the upper right part of the weapon icon, that will be for the reinforce. No, correction, that will be for the enchant. This one. There. Okay. But when you look at mine, it has a enhanced refining bonus, refine attack plus 20. Okay, not everyone will have that. Okay, unless you do it using the anvil. Same as with the gloves that I have, it has both plus 18. The maximum is plus 20, so I haven't done the complete Orleans gloves or my accessory enhanced refining bonus. Okay, how do we do that? The first thing we need would be enhanced essence. You can get it from the vending machine. So let's go here. Enhancing essence 1, enhancing essence 2, and enhancing essence 3. Okay, the higher your enhance bonus goes, the higher the required enhance. Okay, let me show you how. So let's just say you don't have enough honor points to buy it. Okay, to buy the stuff in the vending machine. You can craft the enhancing essences through alchemy merging. Okay, where can you find alchemy merging? One is in Frontera, but to cut to the chase, just go to the guild hall and go to alchemy merging. It's here. Okay, let's check alchemy merging. Okay, alchemy merging. Now, I will be needing to enhance my accessory now. So, here's what I need to do. You will see here, there's a left and right, 0%, 0%. Okay? There's the auxiliaries in the main ingredient. Okay? So, I don't have it on hand right now because everything's on my cart. So, I'll just get it out from my cart. Okay, I think I need memory gems. So, I'll get my memory gems. And I need this. I don't know if this would suffice, but let's see. Okay. Alchemy merging. So, if I go to the last bit, now it's active. So, once I put the auxiliaries, the left-hand side pumps up. Your goal is to have it at 100%. Both sides. So this one, I can't craft it yet because I'm missing at least one piece, one time twister, or one key of clock tower. Okay? So there you go. So once you already have the the pieces that you need, let's say I already have one, just go to the anvil just beside alchemy merging and click on refine enhance. Now since I have here level 1 to level 9, what I can do now is to enhance. Once I have 5 pieces, I can go to plus 10. All I have to do is click on enhance. Okay? Once I click on enhance, this will, the level 10 will be highlighted. Same goes with the weapon. I already have it at max. As you can see here, refinement attack plus 20. Same as with the other one, 9/10, which is plus 18. So if I enhance it, both of my accessories now will have a plus 20 enhanced refine attack. Now, you might be asking, Choco, what if I change my accessory? What will happen? If you change your accessory, nope. You have to actually transfer the enhanced refine. Oh, because this doesn't have any refine yet, that's why you can't. If once it has a plus, once you actually refine it, it will actually um, transfer. Okay, this one I can't use it yet. I don't have any other weapon, so I can't show you that it actually transfers. Let's check our storage. Sorry, it takes time. You can see my guild mates running. Oh, nope. I don't have any weapon that has any refine on it. What you can do is you can actually just try it. It gives a plus 20, plus 60 total attack. So imagine if you have a percent on top of that. Right? So I think that would be it for this video. Just utilize it, just try to use it. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye.